Hello everyone, I hope that you are well. Welcome back to my channel, and if we are seeing each other here for the very first time, my name is Michelle Scott and I am a creative business coach. So I did a couple of changes in my workshop slash office. For those of you that don't know the background with regards to the space that I'm in currently, when we moved into this house during the pandemic period, me and my husband got married, and when we purchased this property, it had 3 garages. We took two of it and we converted it, one space into an office space and the other space into some sort of a workshop space. One of the other videos that I have, I share the journey around having this space and the sacrifices that we've had to make in order for me to have this space. I'm really grateful, but like any other creative, I've had some challenges when it comes to space and storing, because I am a multi-passionate and I have 10,000 hobbies. I have 10,000 projects that I'm working on at the same time, and I need space. Every year when it's my birthday or when it's any special occasion, my husband gifts me some machine or some gadget or something that he feels I might need in my business, because he's always around and kind of senses what I need. So I will like mention that I'm struggling to do this, and he will look it up and see that, oh, she needs that, and these things kind of becomes my birthday presents, which I totally love. I've got a lot of equipment. I've got a lot of things to keep me busy with for a very long time, but that is not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to share with you that I needed some sort of a reset in my office and some sort of a reset in my workshop as well. And I'm going to be sharing some of the photos. You will see the photos. I did not make a video while I was cleaning. It was just too much, and I could kick myself when I realized that I had not been recording. But I do have some photos which I shared with my accountability partner, because I wanted to show her how the before looked and then also show her how it looked afterwards. So I do have some photos that I can share with you. The most important thing around this space that we have is, no matter how big or no matter how small that space is, make good use of it. I will also show you how I optimize my space. I'm going to be taking a few short clips and showing you how I optimized my space and how I made good use of the space that I have. So this is not a video to teach you anything, but just to share with you how I transformed my space from being very overwhelming and where I did not know where everything was, because the last 6 months I've had a lot of projects, and as much as my husband tells me this is your workshop, it's supposed to look like that, the ADHD in me sometimes shows up and I have to tidy up these spaces. So I just want to share with you the journey from going of how untidy and how all of the over the show it was, to what I'm going into in 2026 with. It's not optimized to its best, but at least it's in an acceptable way that I can at least go into 2026, because the idea is to become a little bit more intentional around the creative projects that I share with you, and also to share with you on this journey what I am doing, how I am doing it, and the resources that I am making available to do these things. So I'm so grateful to have you here, and if you've listened up to this point, thank you so much for being here. I'm definitely intentional around sharing at least one video every week, and to make sure that I take you with on this journey to my very own journey of creativity, so that you can see how I am progressing, what are the things that I'm learning, and I'm hoping that I can grab you and hold your hand as you are learning and going with me on this journey. So super excited. Enjoy the small little clips and enjoy the photos as I share them with you. So one of the very first hacks that I want to share with you is I hang my scissors up like this, my big scissors, so that they are stationed, and they're actually stationed right above my sewing machine. So these little hooks, they're fairly cheap in the shop, any hardware shop or any lifestyle shops, and I glue them on here with my glue gun onto any surface, and I hang my big scissors. Another little hack is these wooden containers. I actually use them for storage. So I've got 3 of them on top of each other, and I can store on top and I can store inside of them as well. This little scissor gadget is a hook, and it hooks in like so, and I just use that to hang all my small little scissors, my zigzag scissors, and yeah, just scissors that I need to do fussy cuts in, and I keep that under this board, and it's close by. It's very, and this was also that I bought at a lifestyle shop. And so I am still busy with this area. As you can see, this is just normal boxes on top of my current table. This is my current table. So I added another level of storage, and I did the same on this side. So I've got a table, and then I added these boxes, and then I put a piece of melamine on top just to create another level of storage on top to put all my cuttle bugs and my machines on top, and then all my label printers at the bottom, some book storage as well. Another little hack are these small little drawers, and as you can see, I use them for multiple things. It's also close by. I can just grab and I can use them for storage. Close by, anything small. This little area I made, all my plastic bags are in there, all my cards and thank you cards and discount cards are all in there. Receipt book, calculator, and all my labels are also here on the rail as well, just as a little packing station, so I could quickly create that as well.